Hello everyone. This is Susie Gaming. Welcome to the channel. So recently I uploaded a color selection menu on the Unreal Engine Marketplace, and this video is for the quick demonstration and how to use the color selection menu. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, create your project, and after creating your project, you can just buy and import the color selection menu onto your projects like this. So you will see the one folder like this. So click it open. There's a full folder inside. The most important two is the code folder and the widget folder. Okay, so okay, so let's play it. Let's just try to demo it. So this is how you will see it. So you will see the green. There's a name, story, scale, and weakness. All right, so red also the same. Blue, orange, good. So let's jump with the red. Oh, you see the crash. All right, so when you see this crash, it's because of there's no level that we have to go. Okay, there's no level that we already reference to it. So in the how you will do is in the widget, in the widget blueprint character slot, go to the graph, and there you will see there's a select assets. It's already blank right now, but you have to put the one level inside it. Okay, so the level that you want to travel with the selection of your character. Okay, so let's create this level very quickly. So in the map, I'm gonna create a level. I'm gonna call it the assemble. All right, so open the assemble. Okay, I'm gonna just put the plane R. Okay, bigger. Okay, good. I'm gonna put the light, direction light. So Control L, you see the light, and you will put the visit as the player start here. Okay, good. So after you place all the character and go to the wall setting, and you will see the game mode override, and you have to choose the one that I did already inside the code folder. Okay, this is the PBGM example. So this is a very simple game mode already. You can just create the game mode here. All right, Ruby class game mode. You can just create the game mode base or something like that. But only the difference is I only manipulate one function of inside it. Okay, that's all. So remember this name PBGM example, and go to this PBGM example. Select this. So actually everything is done right now. Okay, done. So select it. Go back to the our character select level. Play it. Everything is good. Select the red again. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to put inside the character slot. Go back to the graph. Select assemble. Okay, combine, save, run it, print. So you will have it. There's a save and load function is already there. Okay, so let's jump into another topic. Is like how to do it by yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna refer it to my documentation on the Unreal Engine. So first one is the import your character. Okay, import your character. So in my case, I already did it. So I import another character called pink character here. This is a blueprint. This is the skeleton mesh. Okay, so I already import two. I already import one character already. So another step is add your character to the data table as shown below. Okay, let's go to the data table. It's in the code folder. So it's a data table. Open it up. So there's a full character. So this character must you probably will be removed. So you can just click and remove it here. So if you want to add another one, just click the add here. So first of all, click here F2, and you will change the name pink character. Okay, so in the pink character, change the name is into pink. And for the thumbnail, I didn't do anything yet, so I just gonna go with this white thumbnail. Okay, so after that, in the skeleton mesh, you have to choose the pink skeleton mesh. All right, so after that story, you just write it. I'm gonna just rename it. Okay, after the scale, I'm gonna call it is water, and weakness, water against fire. Okay, good. So everything is done. So click save. After that, you click it and go back to the documentation. What is the next step? The next step is in the widget blueprint character selection. Add your character as long as a first icon, and don't forget to change data. Okay, so let's go back to the widget and the widget blueprint character selection. Open it up. In the uniform grid, you have to put another slot. Okay, so copy and paste. Okay, it will be at the first place. So just click it down and side. Okay, Now you can just manipulate anything like this, so you can put it down or you can just do it like this. Okay, but I'm gonna go with the first time. So after you put it like this here, and you have to go to this detail panel, and in the data table is already data table, but the row name is green character. You have to change it to the pink character. See that? And there already. Okay, now you will see that this already changed. All right, so after that, compile, save. The job is done here. So let's go back to the documentation, and the step 4 is the W widget character slot. Don't forget to label. Okay, so this type is already done actually. So in the character slot and the graph, I already give the another level, right? So this step is already done. So after that, what's the next step? So in the next step is the game mode step. Okay, so the next step is to go into the code folder, and in the BBGM example, you will see this is the game mode of the game mode that we have to put it inside the level that we want to travel after selection of the character. Okay, so in the selection of the character and the game mode, you have to go to this function. So in your case, if you create a new game mode, then this function will not appear here, it will be hidden over there. So just click override and you can just type get default pawn class for controller. Okay, then you will get it. So in my case, I already have it here. So inside this, I just create this little function. So if you want to use it as my own, then you can just click the add pin. So add pin, you will see this here in the detail panel. You just K0 to type pin. Why pin? It's a pink, right? So why is only pin? Because I only choose to have length of 3 here, length of 3. So what is length of 3? Inside the data table, you will see that there's every character has a name. So I limit the name into only 3 characters. So if a blue is 4 characters, so only the 3 character mean BLU. All right. So that's why you will see that here there's only BLU here. So that's why pink is a 4 character, but I only limit to 3 characters. That's why you will have to write PIN, but it has to be exactly the same as from the data table. All right. So after the pink, so copy and paste the redundant node down there, put it there. Sorry, put it there, and choose the pink PP. All right. Then combine, save, combine. All right. So let's play it. Okay, you will see that another slot there. So go there. So you can see the name, pin, story, blah blah blah, and scale is water, weakness is fire. So you can also see that the character is also changed there. So you click this and you will go to the next level. All right. Animation, there's no animation yet because you can just put your own animation inside there. Okay, something like that. But my character is very simple character. There's nothing in it to make the story space more a little bit lesser. All right, so there you have it, the simple character selection menu for your project. All right, thank you so much, and see ya in the next video.